Exercise 2.1 Constructing Expressions Part 2 of Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Workbook 7. Welcome to SatX. We are starting a new video based on constructing an expression. Last video we have finished number 1 to 7. This video we are going to start from 8. Let's get started. Question 8. The cost of an adult meal in a fast food restaurant is $A. The cost of child meal in the same restaurant $C. Write an expression for the total cost of the meals for these groups. Number A, one adult and one child. So what will be the cost? We know adult price or cost is $A and child $C. Once one adult and one child, the expression will be $A plus $C. Next, one adult, it will be $A and three children, so plus three children, it means $3 C. $3C. Four adult and one children, so four adult $A, it means 4 person $4A plus one child, it means $C. Four adult and five children, four adult means adult 4A plus five children is $5C. Very simple. So number A done. Number 9, this is very important. Match each description A to F to the correct expression 1 to 7. So first, number A, multiply x by 5. So it will be 5x and subtract from 4. Look, here is mentioned from 4. So 4 minus multiply x by 5, it will be 4 minus x. So 4 minus x, where is 4 minus 5x? Here is 4 minus 5x, it means 4 minus 5x, number A, and this is with number 3. Then multiply x by 4. So x by 4, it will be 4x and add 5, it means plus 5. So where is similarity? Here is 4x plus 5, this is number B and this is number 1. Now multiply x by 5, it means 5x and subtract 4, it means minus 4. So where is this? Is 5x minus 4, it's a number C and this is number 5. Okay, then multiply x by 5, x by 5, it means 5x and add 4 plus 4. So 5x plus 4, here is 5x plus 4, this is number D and this is number 7. Multiply x by 4, it means 4x and subtract 5, it means minus 5. So 4x minus 5, this is number 2, 4x minus 5. So similarity with number E, and here is what? Number 2. And then multiply x by 4, it means 4x and subtract from 5, that means 5 minus 4x. So where is this? Is 5 minus 4x, it means number, this is F and this is 4. But till we have a blank, which is number 6. Here is mentioned Marcus write the description for the expression that did not have a match. Here is mentioned multiply x by x by 5, it means 5x and then subtract 5, but here is 5 minus 5x, so this statement is not correct. So we can say this statement is not correct. Okay, so answer or correct answer will be, it's like multiply x by 5, multiply x by 5, multiply x by 5, then we can read and subtract from 5, and subtract from 5. Okay, this is with this. So multiply x by 5, then subtract 5, this is like this, but here is it's from 5, it's a from 5. Okay, so number 8 done. Or we can say in here EFG, we can write like multiply x by 5 and subtract from 5. Okay, so everything is done. Number 8 and 9 done. Number 10. Write an expression for each of these situations. You can choose your own letters, but make sure you write what your letters represent. Let's say drink price or drink cost. Suppose $N, and potato chips, or we can say chips, cost $M. So here is mentioned total cost of 7 drinks, it means $7N, this is number A, and 6 bags of potato chips, so plus $6M. This is the total price of 7 drinks and 6 bags of potato chips. Number B, the total value of 3 rings is double. So first of all, here is 3 ring. We consider, suppose or let one ring cost, suppose A. So here is total value of 3 ring is double. 3 ring will be double. So 3 ring, it should be 3A, and double means times 2. So answer is 3A times 2. Look, you also, this one can write like this: one drink cost $N, and one chips box or bags cost M. So 7N means 7 drink, okay, and 6M means 6 bag of chips. So number A and B done of number 10. Number 11 is our challenge. Here is mentioned, write an expressions for each of these description. K more than G. K more than G. So one thing you have to understand, here is mentioned then, here is also then, here is then, and here is then is not available, but you have to understand what is then. K more than G, it means J plus K. This is a number A. Number B, H less than T, it means T minus H. Number C, Y more than 8 times X, 8 times X. y more than, it means 8 times x is 8x plus y. Number D, 3 times a, it means 3a multiply by b, it means times b, we can write 3ab. Okay, this is very simple thing. So next, number 11 done. Number 12, write a description for each of these expression. Here is v plus 7u. So look, last one we was written y more than 8 times x, and here is, look, v more than 7 times u, we can write similar thing of, so v, sorry, here is y more than 8 times x, we was written 8x plus y, so this one also we can write v more than 7 times what, u. Number B, this one we can write d less than 8 times w. Okay, then number C, 5x plus 3y, we can write 3 times y, 3 times y more than 5 times x. Number D, here is, we can write 7 times p multiplied by q, 7 times p, 7 times p multiplied by q. So number 12 done. Number 13, Kai has 2 pieces of wood. The length of the pieces of wood are shown in the diagram. One wood is 8a plus 15, another wood is 2b minus 3c. Write an expressions for the total length of pieces of wood. So first, total length, it means first wood is 8a plus 15 and second wood is 2b plus minus 3c. So total, this is number A. Total will be here 8a plus 15 plus 2b minus 3c. So what is happening in here? Here is 8a plus 15 plus 2b minus 3c. So in synchronize you can write 8a plus 2b minus 3c plus 15, and this is the expressions. So this is number A. Number B of 13b, the difference in length of pieces of wood. So difference will be 8a plus 15 and minus 2b minus 3c, right? So here is 8a plus 15. Look, once you face any statement before minus, then all the sign will be changed. So this plus 2b become minus 2b and minus become plus 3c. So our answer is 8a minus 2b plus 3c plus 15. Okay, so number A and B done. Number 14. Number 14 mentioned P and Q are whole numbers such that P plus Q equals to minus 2 and PQ, once it multiply, become minus 8, and also P is greater than Q. Look, here need a correction. Whole number is non-negative number. It means it should be 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. But if non-negative number, it's never possible to become P plus Q equals to minus 2 or PQ times minus 8. Maybe in this book try to mention whole number, it should be instead of whole number will be instead integer. Okay, we will consider this is integer. Integer can be minus infinity with 0 to plus infinity. Okay, where is like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, including 0, 1, 2, 3. So it should not be whole number, it should integer. Okay, now number A. Sadi thinks that P equals to minus 12, P equals to minus 12 and Q equals to 10. Explain why Sadia is wrong. Look, here is minus 12 plus 10, it means P plus Q. P plus Q minus 12 plus 10, it will be minus 2. This is okay. But here in question mentioned PQ equals to minus 8. But as per Sadia information, PQ equals to minus 12 times what? 10. It will be minus 20. It's not okay. Okay, this is a simple thing, not okay, because the calculation is PQ equals to what? PQ equals to minus what? Minus 8. Here already mentioned PQ equals to minus 8, but Sadi getting minus 12, which is not correct. Number B. So work out the value of P and Q. Look, here is also mentioned P greater than Q. So P should not less than Q, right? So in this case we can say P should be P2, P equals to 2 and Q equals to minus 4. Now look, P plus Q equals to 2 minus 4, it will be minus 2, and PQ equals to 2 times minus 4, this one also minus 8. So everything is okay. One is minus 2 and another one is minus 8. So thank you very much being with me. 2.1 constructing expression we have completed by 2 episodes. This is part 2 where we are doing 8 to 13. So 2.1 done. Please subscribe my channel X. I will try to solve all the math of Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Workbook 7. So we are starting Unit 2 and Unit 2, the part of exercise 2.1 done. Thank you.